The one thing that I was missing in my research is I wasn't able to perform cell culture studies by myself. I knew the terms, but I didn't know the experiments behind it, like how was it performed.
My capstone project has a great amount to do with tissue engineering, and so this workshop is helping me familiarize myself with procedures that will be useful.
One of the avenues that we wanted to kind of go down in our research was actually combining bacterial cultures with cell cultures. So I was able to come in here and get hands-on experience doing cell culture work and then directly take that and kind of start our own experiments, which was really great.
I had very little or limited background in cell culture, and since it will take a chunk of my research, I needed to know everything, the little and then the advanced part of cell culture. I had no idea that such facility existed at Penn State, that they have all these systems, all these machineries, and all this expertise.
I had some previous experience with cell culturing, but that did in no way mean that I didn't need to take this class. I think it actually strengthened what I already knew, the research I've done. This was able to help me start from the beginning, when I get the cells and do the whole process myself, instead of having that help in between.
Being able to see the cells that I cultured, it's kind of like, oh, we're working in units of life here.
I mean, you always hear that cells grow insanely fast, but physically putting them on a plate and then the next day seeing like, oh, it's completely full. It's kind of showing like, oh, I can actually do this, and that you're getting some stuff to grow, which is really nice.
Initially, I thought like I might not understand a lot of things, but now I think like I got the whole idea. So I'm very satisfied.
It'll make you feel a lot more confident about the work that you're doing.